We can start.
Yeah, proceed.
Okay. Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show you how we can learn data analysis in Google Colabo using ALA Studio. So, what we usually do is we first mount our Google Drive to the Google Colabo, which is to the runtime, which is ALA Studio in ALA. So, the command which we use is install full stop packages, then we put open bracket, and in the brackets we put Google Drive, which has got some inverted commas. Then we learn the command. After learning that command, we set the library for Google Drive, which the command is library, and in brackets, in round brackets, we include Google Drive. Then we also learn that command to make sure that we are in the Google Drive. Now, after learning that command, we go to the next command, which is system open bracket pip install space minus sign q then space Google minus sign Colabo. Then that one is also in inverted commas. So what this do is it mounts the Google Drive with the ALA runtime, so that when whatever we do, like we want to download our files, so that whatever we want to download should be available in this ALA time. Then we learn that command. Then we come to the next command, which we install the liticurate. So it's also under the mount. So we have three commands. We have the system install the package, then we learn the liticurate library. So on the install the package, we also use the same command, and liticurate is in the bracket. Then we learn that command. You can learn the command. Then we also learn the library command for liticurate. After doing that, we come to the process whereby we want to download our files which are in the Google Drive. So the first command which we use is drive underscore auth and open and close bracket, but we don't put anything in that bracket. Then we learn that command. So what this command does is it gives us direction where we can get the link to like connect our Google Drive link with the runtime, which is the ALA runtime. After learning that command, we come to the next command, which is drive underscore ls, which has got also some open and close brackets, but we don't also put anything in that. Then we learn that command as well. After learning that command, it provides us like just it showcases what's inside the Google Drive. Then after learning that command, we come to another command, which is like as.data.frame drive ls underscore ls, which is in bracket. Then we learn that command as it just also showcases like the things which are in the Google Drive. Then we start to search what we want to download in that Google Drive. So we use the command which is as.data.frame open bracket drive underscore find open bracket. Then in that open bracket, we include the file which we want to like search for. So we want to take a like an ID, which we will be using to download our files using the next command which is coming below. So after learning that, we collect the ID of that file which we want to download, and we use the command which comes like drive underscore download open bracket as underscore ID. Then in the brackets we include the ID number, like the ID name which we got. So it's like we have that ID number in the bracket, but we close it with some open and inverted commas. Then the command continues just like the way it. So we do the same with the other files because we have got 4 files and we want to download all of them. So after downloading the file, we start to highlight the names so that as we do our data analysis, we should not like type the whole names, but we just like create a nickname for the files. So for file number 1, we created a nickname as data1 using the command which is data1 space greater than symbol, then my space lead dot csv open bracket, then we included inside the new name. So this command is used in all data files. So after doing that, that's when we start to do our data analysis. So my colleague will take us from there.
Yeah, we'll move on the summary statistics. On this one, we normally have the summary and we describe the data. Our data statistics on the students, that's data set. This summary function provides basic statistics. As we can see, it gets the minimum, maximum, mean, and the medium values. Also, on the package, you can see that describe the function from the package gives a more detailed overview, including the standard deviation and the distribution characteristics. Basically, on the summary statistics, this step helps to understand the structure and the general characteristics of the data before further analysis of the data, which my colleague will take us through on the ORS model, how it works.
Where you can proceed.
Take us through.
Okay, I'll take you through the OLOS regression, on which we will use wage data. So to run that, we first use the command install packages bar. I don't know. We first use install packages car and then write blally car. So that's another command. So as we can see, it has come up with the results. So another command is VIF, close bracket, open bracket, model underscore word, close bracket. So I think the results of the education and the education has very low masculinity. So they're saying education is not strongly correlated with the variables experience. 1.48, yeah, as we go like that. And then low linearity. Experience has a small relationship with other predictions, but not a problem. So 10 is also having a 1.35, as you can see on the screen. Low which shows low matrilinearity. 10 is also not strongly correlated with the other variables. So let's move on to another command, which is install packages. Install packages, open package, inverted commas, IMT EST, but IMT should be in capital letters. So we'll put close brackets. So not that is that. And another command that we're to use is write blurry, close bracket, IMT test. So on that one, you are also going to put IMT in caps as well. So put close bracket. And then we run that. So that's just a simple explanation saying that the standardized I can see clearly. I guess it's
The BP test. The BB test. The standardized Blush-Began test, also known as the BB test. Then continue from there.
Yeah, I think you can continue to another command.
all right. So another command is write Bradley in test, IMT test, but that one should just have I as a capital letter. And then BB, we're going to run the BB test command. So it's BB test, open brackets, model underscore wage, close bracket. So yeah. This shows that we after running the regression of wage on education experience and tenure, the results showed that education and tenure had strong positive effects, while experience was weaker. So yeah, reaching this this juncture, I think I should leave the floor to my colleague.
All right, now let's go to another section. So on this section, are you there?
Yes, we are here. You are audible. You are audible. You can continue. Proceed.
Yes, I'm looking at question number 4 and the things that I hear. Okay.
You can just take the probit model instead.
Prompt model.
Probit, that's question number 5.
Question number 5. Because I was supposed to look at the heterostadicity using the PV test. So can't see where they did.
That's already done by the way.
Ah, okay. I thought it was homo. Okay, fine. Okay. So it means now I have to look at the property model, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so in this section, we are estimating the prompt model using the auto data set. So first of all, we are converting the foreign variable into a binary variable. So within the model probability of the car being foreign, being on the weight and the miles of the gallon. So as you can see, the results show that the both weight and the PMB have negative effects, meaning heavier cars, and those with higher fuel efficiency are likely to be fallen. So that's basically what is showing on the command section after running the command. So can you scroll down? You should run another command. Yeah, so this is the model logic summary. So after running the command, we have our results section. So we have the coefficients, the dispersion, narrow divergence, the residual divergence, and what have you. So all of the details are here. Yeah, so this is our results section. And can you move on? Let's run another command. So another command.
I think you can stop from there.
Okay, so that means my friend will start from here.
Proceed, Faith. It's your turn.
Yeah, coming in. Sam.
Sorry.
Have you done your part, Faith?
You're running the logistic regression model, so run it as in it's your 10, it's your part.
Then you got
Yes. Now we are going to run a code summary, open bracket, model, underscore logit, close bracket. We are going to install packages by running this command, install dot packages, open bracket, open inverted commas, margins, close inverted commas, and then close bracket. And then we are going to again run library margins. A code called a library, open bracket, margins, close bracket, and another code margins, open bracket, model underscore logit, close bracket. Here we estimate a logistic regression model to predict low birth weight using age, weight, smoking, and previous premature labor. The results show that age and weight have negative effects, while smoking and the previous premature labor increase the probability of low birth weight. My friend will continue from there.
Faith, you can learn the probit model, then I conclude with the marginal effect.
The probit model was already run by Towela.
Ah, it's okay then.
So
In this case,
what else is the meaning?
then I have to wrap up.
Okay, thanks.
After learning a lot of commands in our command sections, adding to what my colleagues has already explained, on a previous premature labor in statistical significance, we can therefore compute the marginal effect of to better interpret the results. So the marginal effect shows the changes in each variables that affect the probability of low birth rates. So here overall, the behavior of medical factors such as smoking and the medical history have a strong influence compared to the demographic factors. So just in conclusion to what we were doing here, the main thing is we were learning the analysis which are applied in statistical methods. We have applied the statistical method which include OLS, diagnostic test, binary models, which helps us to understand the relationship. So from what we have done, the results were consistency and the reliable with marginal effect improving and interpreting the better outcome. So overall, the study demonstrate how strong analytical skills and the ability to apply and interpret models across different tools. Thank you so much for listening our video and watching. I can cut.
Yeah, you can cut. You can cut. Cut.